From the human body to the soil of the earth and every water droplet in the ocean, the pH level of everything is extremely important. pH, or the potential of hydrogen, is the measure of hydrogen ions in a specific solution. To give you a better idea of how the scale applies in real life, here are some examples of pH levels. Your personal pH levels determine a lot about your experience in this world. When the body becomes too acidic, bad things start to happen. An overly acidic environment can lead to health issues such as low energy, coughing, fatigue, weight gain, and much more. However, as with everything in life, too much of any one thing can be a problem. So just like an acidic environment, when the pH of a human body is too heavily alkaline, problems arise. You may experience twitching of muscles, irritability, or lightheadedness. The lesson here? Having balance is vital for life. The body naturally finds balance. It's our job to help make it an easier process. Here are 5 ways to keep the pH levels of your body at an optimal level. Never underestimate the power of God, prayer, and Scripture. All you need is to open a Bible or pray and share your heart to God. Praying allows you to access deeper parts of your brain that help you to self-reflect and self-soothe. Consume more organic foods, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and nutrient-dense foods. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and sugar. These 3 common ingredients are extremely acidic. Cut these out of your diet and your body will thank you. Drink a fresh, organic, leafy green smoothie. Pyradyne's organic leafy green superfood contains probiotics, digestive enzymes, and tons of powerful and natural ingredients to deliver you with the nutrients needed to alkalize your aura. Apple cider vinegar has been around and used for various ailments for centuries. Drink 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar first thing in the morning for a healthy dose of proteins, enzymes, and good bacteria. Make these changes in your habits and the benefits will become clear. You'll have more energy, more focus, and more fun because of how you feel. Comment below if you've already made some of these changes in your life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned to our latest uploads.